Amazon parrots. A favorite amongst bird lovers. Amazon parrots are highly intelligent, loving and incredibly social birds. When these green-winged beauties are trained properly and treated aptly, they make for wonderfully devoted and talkative pets. The better-known species kept as pets in American households include Yellowhead/double yellowhead, the best-known Amazon. Lilac-crowned, trusting and gentle. Mealy, among the largest at about 17 inches tall. Red Lord, affectionate and shy, and Yellow-naped, good singers known for their human-like voices.